Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. PeoplePerHour.com is a prominent online platform that connects businesses and individuals with freelance talent across a wide range of sectors. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur searching for skilled professionals to bolster your team or an individual looking to outsource specific tasks, PeoplePerHour offers a comprehensive marketplace to facilitate these connections. The platform boasts a diverse pool of freelancers specializing in areas such as writing, web development, graphic design, marketing, and much more. This breadth of talent ensures that businesses of all sizes and across various industries can find the expertise they need to succeed. One of the key features of PeoplePerHour is its user-friendly interface, designed to streamline the process of finding and hiring freelancers. Clients can easily browse freelancer profiles, review their portfolios, and compare proposals to make informed decisions. The platform also provides secure payment options and dispute resolution services, offering peace of mind to both clients and freelancers. This emphasis on security and transparency helps to foster trust and build long-term working relationships. For freelancers, PeoplePerHour presents a valuable opportunity to showcase their skills, connect with potential clients, and build a thriving freelance career. The platform offers tools and resources to manage proposals, track invoices, and communicate effectively with clients. By leveraging these features, freelancers can efficiently manage their workload and maintain a professional presence. Furthermore, the platform's global reach allows freelancers to connect with clients from around the world, expanding their opportunities and broadening their professional network. In a constantly evolving digital landscape, PeoplePerHour provides a dynamic and adaptable platform that caters to the needs of both businesses and freelancers. Its comprehensive features, user-friendly interface, and focus on security make it a compelling option for those seeking to navigate the complexities of the freelance marketplace. Whether you're looking to hire skilled professionals or find freelance work, PeoplePerHour offers a valuable resource to connect talent with opportunity. Its global reach and diverse range of services make it an essential tool for anyone looking to thrive in the modern world of work. So, if you're seeking a reliable and efficient platform to connect with freelance talent, be sure to check out PeoplePerHour.com.